All right, welcome back to the Blender 3 Docwalk. This document is list views and presets. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, we have actually looked at multiple list views and presets throughout the series so far. So let's go ahead and okay, here we go. Here are your basic list views and presets. So what we have here, vertex groups, shape keys. These are your list views. The lower handle here, you can just click and drag it to make the list view larger. The plus icon right here allows you to add a group to your list, like thus. And you can remove them with the remove key here. Now, these, if you remember, we covered the special menus, right? If you remember this, special menu is basically a special type of subset menu that has additional capabilities specific to whatever you're working with. So, it's not always going to be the same. For instance, this is vertex group specific right here. Your move vertex group keys, you can move your groups up and down, reorder them. Okay, I want to make a quick note on this. You'll see here it says filter include, filter exclude. When the magnifying glass icon has a plus sign in it, it will include. If it has a minus sign in it, then it will exclude. However, if we jump back over to the app, or to Blender here, you'll notice this double arrowed button here, okay? This is filter include and filter exclude. So, for example, let's do this. Let's add a couple of groups, and we'll do fries. Fries are yummy because they are. Gummy bears. I'm on a food kick today, I guess. And I don't know. Pecan. Whoops. That was not what I meant to do. Pecan pie. Okay. Now, if I come down here to search, right? Use my filter to filter out what I want or what I don't want. Notice the invert key here is not selected. Okay, now it's selected. Now I'm going to deselect it. So it is in the include state. So if I start typing in G, you'll see that only the groups or the vertex names that begin with G are shown. If I invert it, I get the ones that don't match. So, like I said, in the documentation here, it mentions the magnifying glass and the plus and the minus. I think they just have not updated this section for the Blender 3.0 manual. Unless, of course, there are some, remnant lists somewhere around with the magnifying glass and the plus and the minus in it. But I'm pretty sure this is the new, interface, right? Okay. So let's jump back over to the app. Okay, and so I'm going to kill this here, get rid of that G, so everything is showing. These positioning or reordering arrows allow me to reorder my list as I see fit. So if I want to move fries or yummy down, I can do so. And these are my alphabetical and order buttons. So if I want to order my list alphabetically, I hit that. It goes ahead and does that for me. If I want it in reverse order or ascending and descending order, that's what this button does. I can click that to get descending order or ascending order. Nope. What's going on here? Why is it doing that? Oh, no. Yep. Okay. I see what's going on here. Hang with me just for a second. I'm going to try something out. I think I know what's going on, but just one moment. Okay. And we're back. And this is what's going on with this. So if I use my order keys, my two arrows to the right here to put this in whatever order I want. So I'm going to take A abacus, abacus, and I'm going to bring it down here to under D. Let's grab gummy bears and bring it up next to abacus. Danger zone, let's take that guy to the top, and let's put California down at the very bottom. Okay, now when I hit the alphabetical order button, it's going to put it into alphabetical order. So no matter what order it was in, it's now in alphabetical order. Now when I unselect it, it's going to put it back to the original order that it was, no matter what, you know, crazy nonsense order it was in, or however you created it or you know, designed it. So so you can see California is still down here at the very bottom. Abacus, donut, gummy bears are still kind of clustered here in the middle. Okay, so that's what that does. Now the ascending and descending order does a similar sort of thing here. So whatever order it's in, it will reverse the order. Okay, in alphabetical order mode, ascending and descending will reverse it alphabetically. So reverse alphabet, right? Actually, nope. C, D, E, F, G. Now reverse. Starts with California. This may be a bug. I'm gonna have to open a ticket and let them know that this is acting a little weird. I know this is 3.0 beta, so unless I'm misunderstanding how this is supposed to be working, I'm pretty sure this is a bug. I don't think that's how it's supposed to work. I think when alphabetical is activated, that it should actually totally reverse it, not display the original order. Okay, and last but not least, there are the preset menus, and these are extremely similar. The only difference is they're just not as expanded functionality-wise. You can save and create and delete presets, add in and subtract with the traditional plus and minus button, and a drop-down list, and of course the down arrow specials menu. All right, so that is it for list views and presets. I will see you guys in the next one, and just a little heads up, the next four, I'm going to be clumping them all into one video. For colors, they're all rather short. So yeah, color picker, color ramp widget, color palette, and curve widget. I'm just going to collapse them all into one video. So I will see you guys in the next video.